Here's a quick tip for navigating a big online auction such as this one for Union County, North Carolina. You'll see that there are 28 pages of lots, 683 items. It's a lot, but perhaps you're a collector of jewelry. You can search by category right here. And you'll see currently we're in all categories. So you'll see items listed that fall into the jewelry category, whether it's the jewelry chest or a jeweled pig. And yes, you'll find everything. And you can also just go to the pull down here. So maybe you're looking for a new refrigerator. Why does it? Oh, we got to take the word jewelry out. See, fell apart on my own. There's an LG stainless steel refrigerator. We could look for well, it says washer and dryer, but this house has washer and dryer decor. So you can go ahead and cruise through categories. If you happen to be a fabric person and you wanted to go straight to the lots, here's where you'll find all those items. So have fun shopping, shop by category, shop by item, and bid away. See what kind of good deals you get. And always check out what we have at LeighBrownAuctions.com. And if you want to reach out to me about selling your household goods or your estate, love to chat.